50,000, looking for 60. 60,000 now. Remember, no inspections, no renegotiations. Going, sold.
There's a reason most investors lose money at auctions, and it's not because they didn't find a deal. It's because their math was wrong before they ever bid. Today, I'm breaking down the exact auction math I use that protects my profit on every deal. At auctions, you don't get second chances, no inspections, no renegotiations, no emotions allowed. Once you win the bid, you own the risk. That's why I don't bid based on hope. I bid based on math that already accounts for mistakes. Everything starts with after repair value, but not the Zillow number. I only use recent sold comps in the same neighborhood, similar size, and similar condition after repairs. If I can't confidently justify the ARV, I don't bid. Bad ARV equals a bad deal every single time. Next is the repair budget, and this is where most people get burned. At auction, I assume the worst reasonable case. I don't guess low just to make the deal work. If I think repairs are around $35,000, I underwrite it at $45,000. That extra cushion protects profit, not optimism. Here's the rule that saves me from overbidding. Profit is made at the buy, not the sell. So I work the numbers backwards. I start with ARV, subtract repairs, holding costs, selling costs, and the profit I want to make. What's left is my maximum bid, not a dollar more. If the auction goes higher than that number, I walk away. No exceptions. That's why I pass on about 90% of auction properties. Discipline pays better than activity. Walking away isn't losing. Overpaying is. If the numbers don't work on paper, they won't magically work in real life. This system isn't flashy. It doesn't make for viral screenshots, but it keeps cash in my account, stress low, and profits predictable. That's how long-term investors survive auctions. If you want to learn how to run this math step by step before auction day, that's exactly what I teach inside my monthly membership. The link is in the description. And if this helped you, hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.